Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion circular saw, the PCC660B. This tool is part of the new growing line of linked system high-performance tools. This tool has a 6.5-inch carbide tooth blade, delivers cutting capacity for all 2-by and sheathing materials. The high-performance motor delivers 4,000 revolutions per minute for smooth, fast cuts. An air channel blows air across a line of cut-cleaning debris for accurate cutting. This tool also features a shoe that pivots up to 50 degrees for specialty beveled cuts. Compact size that makes it easy to maneuver across cutting applications and comfortable over-mold grips to reduce vibration and user fatigue. 20-volt max 1.5 amp-hour or 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt max circular saw combines compact size, performance, visibility, easy adjustments, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.